Have you bought into the RYOBI USB Lithium tools yet? Well, we've got 5 more. RYOBI's releasing 5 brand new USB Lithium tools. Runs on their USB Lithium platform battery, rechargeable by a USB Type-C cord directly to the battery. Let's take a look at these 5 tools, then we'll come back and talk about pricing and warranty. These are 5 brand new USB Lithium tools from RYOBI. Now, we've covered a few of these tools already, and this is the USB Lithium battery. This is the 2 amp hour. You can also get a 3 amp hour longer runtime, higher capacity battery as well. Pretty cool that you actually charge the battery right there from the USB Type-C port built right into the battery. You also get an integrated LED light that tells you the status of the charge once you plug that in. Now, these will actually fit in each one of these tools and power them. Anyway, let's get started. Let's first take a look at the magnifying glass. May help us out during this if we have to make some read some fine print. And look at there, we'll use our USB Lithium FVC 51 power cutter here. These things are great for blister packs, for wrapping paper. So you get the magnifying glass with 3 times magnification. You get the USB Type-C cable and a USB battery. And you can see the flat spot here in the magnifying glass. Lines up with the flat spot there. Push it in, push the cap on, and you're good to go. Push the button. Give you 2 types of illumination, up to 200 lumens and up to 16 hours of runtime on that battery. And we can see there the magnification. Easy to read things. So pretty useful little tool. That is the FVL55K LED Magnifying Light Kit, and it has a 2-year warranty, and it's $40, $39.97. Also comes with a little case. I guess that protects your magnifying lens. Next, we have the FVL54K. This is not just a flashlight. This is a flashlight and LED pivoting laser. So just like on the other one, we get the USB Lithium battery. You can see the end here. Oh, it looks like it's not only screws on there, but we also have a magnetic end for attaching that to anything metallic or ferrous metal. So that's cool. No stainless steel, obviously, but anything steel it's going to stick to. Put our battery in. Get a power button here. 3 modes, so high, medium, and low. We also get a 180-degree pivoting head. And high is going to give us 625 lumens. Medium is going to give us 225. And low will give us 75 lumens. And then you see right up here on the top is a laser. And to activate that, we hold the power button down. And now we have the red laser. And hold the power button down and shut it off. So press once to activate the flashlight and press again and again for the modes, and hold it down to activate the laser. Now this flashlight is going to last 16 hours on low. It's going to give us 3 modes of light, $50, and a 2-year warranty. Model number FVL54K. Now we have 2 of the same units, not really the same. One is 1/4 inch and one is 3/8, and that's the new USB Lithium Ratchet kits. So this is the 1/4 inch drive USB Lithium. Obviously 1/4 inch drive anvil. Ratcheting head. So lock and unlock. LED here at the front. 500 foot-pounds of torque. No, I'm just kidding. No torque rating on this that I see, but be cool for small stuff for sure. And then this is the 3/8 drive. Pretty much identical. Just with the 3/8 drive anvil. Same locking mechanism on the trigger, same LED, and ratcheting switchable head. So you're going to change directions here. And it looks like variable speed trigger. So I can go slow. So that's pretty cool. So if you're wanting to do light work, great set of ratchets there for doing it. Very handy. This is the FVR 50 and this is the FVR 51. They are $69 a piece. They come as a kit and you get a 2-year warranty. Now they come as a kit, meaning that each one of these come as a kit. This comes as a kit with the battery and the cable, and this one comes as a kit with the battery and the cable. They do not come together, and each are $69. And then finally, we have, get the hard case with it, and it is a USB Lithium hot wire cutter. I believe they're calling it a foam cutter kit, but basically it's a hot wire that cuts through foam, and you also get a couple of tips here as well. So you can see it all fits in the case. So pretty cool idea. Let's move this aside. Okay, this is the FVH 64K for the kit, and this is the foam cutter, and you get high and low temperatures at 300 and 520 degrees Fahrenheit. We get these different tips. So we have the hot wire, or we have the foam cutting wire tip. We have the hole making kit, and this is called the precision tip, I think, which they both look like they're both can poke holes and do any type of drawing you want to in foam. The battery and a stand, so as this gets hot, you can lean it like that and keep that away from anything, from sitting on something. You also get extra wires as well. And this heats up in less than 2 minutes. Now, obviously, we have to try this out, so we'll go ahead and figure out how this goes on here. I'm sure there's a way. Yep, so, okay, that just snaps into place there. And let's go ahead and turn this on. Well, I guess we need a battery in there. And sure, we'll go into high. So we'll see how this does on some regular old styrofoam. We've got this heating up. We see it's blinking there. I'm assuming it's going to go green once it's heated up to temp. So we swapped out the battery because it looked like that one was dead. So we'll go ahead and put a fresh one in there. I think that's a freshly charged one. And now we're on high and it's flashing. And again, we should get a solid green once we're up to temp. Okay, we've got a solid green light. Means we're good to go in hot. Let's see how we do in some foam. Oh my goodness. Now that is just too cool. Wow, that's pretty cool. I'm sorry, that just, and just so you know, this is just cutting, it's like butter. Sorry. That can be addictive, I'm not gonna lie. And cuts clean, I mean, trying not to cut my finger. That's pretty cool. Of all these tools, definitely my favorite so far. Now let's swap out tips. I wonder if that's hot. No, that is not hot. That's pretty cool. So this is not hot to the touch. I'm assuming that is, since it says hot right there. So I'm going to lay this over here, since this is stainless steel. It should not hurt anything. And put on our tip. And by the way, it looks like the unit turns off automatically when you pull the tip off. We'll go back to high. So it's still blinking. Let's see if we're hot enough. Oh yeah. Oh wow. I don't think you want to smell that. But anyway, so you can see we can draw or make whatever shape we want to. Pretty cool. Now the real question is, will it work on multi-layer foam for cutting tools? I think that it will. Takes a little more heat to go through this, but I think if you just take your time, you could definitely do it. Probably with the shorter tip, might do a little better job as well. So back to the hot wire. And it's really not up to temp yet, so it's kind of dragging it through there. It's still blinking. Beautiful clean cuts. Shouldn't say cuts. Burns. You see, I can get this about as fine as you want to. Okay, we got the shorter tip on there. Now I'm just curious. Yeah, that does a better job. It's still a bit slow. It's not like you can move through there fast. So maybe this is not the tool for doing multi-layer foam. But it's still pretty cool. I guess I lied about talking about pricing and warranty. We've already talked about that. Hey, check out these new tools. We'll have links in the description. Also, keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and even TikTok. Hey, if you don't mind, would you hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't done so already? And by all means, if you hated our video, well, give us a thumbs down. But would you let us know in the comments why? Have a great day and keep smiling.